G'day, my name's Almanzo, and today I'd like to show you our three-way auto draft module, which is designed to go in front of your existing crush to allow a simple three-way auto draft. It's air controlled and you require a 12-volt battery or single phase power, and you can operate it off the remote control, as well as you can connect it to a weigh scale, and if it's capable of auto drafting, you can set it up so when the scale locks onto the weight, it automatically opens and shuts your drafting gates. So it saves you having to manually open and close your draft gates, or look at the scale and decide which way it needs to go. So to get this three-way draft module operational, you just need to place it in front of your existing cattle crush, and then dyno bolt it down to a concrete pad, or use concrete screws. There's a lug in each corner. And once that's in place, you can connect your power supply and also the air supply. So down here is where you plug in the air supply, and that runs up to a filter and then goes into the control box. And then in this case we're running it off a 12-volt battery. It does come with a 240-volt mains power adapter as well. So to connect this auto draft module to your weigh scale system, you need the communications cable. This is what sends the draft ranges from the scale to the auto control box on this module. You also need to mount this sensor on the entry gate of your cattle chute, and this is what will trigger the scales to lock onto the weight of the animal and then open the correct draft gate. So the other way to operate this draft module is off the two draft buttons on the remote control. So the first thing you'll need to do is press the on button to power the control box on, and if you are going to operate it in auto mode with the scale system, you'll have to press the auto button, and then that will now wait for the scale to lock onto the weight and send the commands to the draft gate to open and close. So some of the other features on our three-way draft module is you have these access gates which give you good access to the animal inside your cattle chute. That is operated off the slam latch. And then you have pins on each draft gate, so you can pin the gate shut. Also at the front, you've got this gate which, if you don't want cattle to go straight ahead, you can have it closed off. Otherwise that can be left open to give you the three-way draft. So this draft module makes a great addition to your cattle handling facility, saving you labour when processing cattle. All Pari products are made in New Zealand using Australian steel and a fully hot dip galvanised after fabrication. So if you'd like more information on our livestock handling equipment, please get in touch with our team.